Welcome to this Android and Google channel, and this is the Android news for Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. And today, in our news, we have Google that will have apparently a streaming service. It's going to be very interesting for gaming. It's apparently a major advancement in there, and it's very close to being launched. It partnered with Ubisoft, and apparently one of the games will be AC Odyssey. And if your PC is not powerful enough to run that, no problem. You'll be able to play it in the new game streaming service. That's going to be interesting. Well, there's a hidden text adventure game in the Google search page, and apparently if you go to google.com, and apparently it doesn't work on the variants. For example, here in Canada, it's google.ca, that's automatically pops up. Google.com is where you need to be. And if you actually type text adventure for the search, and then you apparently press Control-Shift-I or Command-Shift-I on Mac, you will have a page where you can click console, and you should see a interesting game that you can see here, which looks like Zork, the first text adventure, and apparently it's a playable game. So somebody apparently found that it was hidden in the Google search page. Well, as you know, more and more extensions are getting dangerous. Google is adding more human interaction to filter out the bad extensions for Chrome browser. It will not now prevent extensions that modify web pages, for example, or if a extension demands too much power, it will be analyzed to make sure it doesn't do anything bad on your computer. And the idea behind this is to make sure that the extensions that will be on the store will be safe to use. YouTube is going to have a very different way of doing ads soon. Apparently some of the YouTube ads will now have interaction possibilities. For example, you're viewing a movie trailer, you want to see the movie, it's going to ask you, do you want to buy tickets to your local theater, for example. So this is going to be quite interesting to see. Google is, of course, apparently going to announce the Chromecast third generation next week at its October 9th event. But we learned a little more today because Best Buy apparently sold one of the new devices by accident to a customer. And of course, he leaked all the information and the details he knew about it, including the fact that apparently it will have Bluetooth possibilities. If you are on the new Gmail experience, of course, the new Gmail experience rolled out last spring and throughout the summer was rolling out to everybody. Well, it seemed that if you're in the new Gmail experience, there's no more button to go back to the old one. And that apparently, if you have personal accounts, pretty much everybody will be pushed to that new experience soon without any possibility of go back to the old one. And as the browser market share for September numbers are out, well, of course, Google Chrome is king of the browser market. It sits at 66%. It continues to climb, and it seems that nothing will prevent this browser from going higher. And this was the Android and Google news for Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.